how to recover your Instagram account if you forgot the password. First things first, open the Instagram app on your phone. On the login screen, you'll see an option that says Forgot Password. Tap on that. Instagram will then present you with a few options to recover your account. The most common methods involve using your username, email address, or phone number associated with your account. Choose the option that's easiest for you. If you choose username, enter your Instagram username and tap Find Account. Instagram will then search for your profile and provide options to recover it, usually via the email address or phone number linked to that account. If you choose email or phone number, enter the email address or phone number you used when signing up for Instagram and tap Find Account. Instagram will send a verification link or code to that email or phone number. Once you receive the email or SMS, open it and follow the instructions provided by Instagram. This will usually involve clicking a link or entering a verification code within the app. Instagram will then guide you through the process of creating a new password for your account. Choose a strong and unique password that you haven't used before and make sure you remember it this time. After you have successfully set a new password, you should be able to log back into your Instagram account without any issues.